Can't believe this guy's alive. This is freaking me out, man. I don't know what kind of car this is, but Subaru, baby. Subaru. Three to room. I don't know what happened to him, man.
Get you out of here before shit gets ugly, dude.
I see a lot of smoke.
You see a lot of smoke?
Yeah, see that?
Yeah.
Glad you're
That's
good, bro.
It's a
making me
lot of.
nervous.
It's got a lot of gas.
Glad, hey, Dwayne, we don't have much time, buddy. We'll come back in a minute. We don't have much time, dude. I don't know what your saddle case conditions are. And this shit's gonna turn ugly quick. Does I smell diesel, brother?
There is some smoke on the other side.
All right. Well, we're getting them out.
All
Come
right.
on, Dwayne. I like that idea, brother. Come on, buddy. If this thing starts getting funky on us, we need you out. Yep, I got you, bro. Yeah, I'd say your most important stuff, wallet and phone.
You want to throw me those bags?
Oh, this guy lived through this, man.